is just so sings, spinning all around, round, round, round. Welcome! It's Crypto Novo 311. As we're waiting in line for our Top Shots pack, we're going to talk to you about CryptoPunk sales. We're going to talk to you about stocks leading into this short work week, which starts on a Tuesday for people in the stock market. We'll hit up some analysis from Crypto Yuki 311, from Jeebs. We'll hit up some stats because everyone likes to look at stats, and we'll finish up with some cryptos at the end here. As we can tell, everyone's awaiting their packs. I'm guessing with the release of the Top Shot packs, Cool Cats, that we're going to see prices going down in the Cool Cat market just because of supply and demand. The more supply that's out there, the less that people are going to demand it. So that's why I'm sticking with Series 1 as my recommendation. We'll get back more into Top Shots, more towards spring and summer once I believe it starts heating up. A couple, 3-4 days ago, this got up to 800, got down to as low as 350 or so for the number of punks for sale. We're right at 385. Looking into the sales right here, let's dive right into it for all my aliens, apes, and zombies. It's Monday at 12/7/19, Central Standard Time. We're not going to wait for those to upload. But I was looking into the Cowboys and why this one was sold at such a pretty decent price. All right. Then you start looking into the Cowboys, and these Cowboys did go in a run, very similar to how we saw the hoodies go in a run yesterday. Saw a string of hoodies go in a run, and sometimes they just fly off the shelf because once one or two buy, it starts turning into a big gap sometimes. So let's say this one at 23 got bought. Well, maybe the person right here that's selling the thin beard and the sunglasses might want to bump theirs up to closer to 29. So you got to play the market because it changes ever so rapidly with the normal beard there, not the thin beard. Looking back at also the sales over here, this one caught everyone's eye. They got a couple YouTube mentions there. One of our favorites, probably going to go into the vaults right there. All right, Pranksy with another beautiful buy there on a female. Female with a pilot helmet, extremely rare. Toss the mask on it. And it's a hidden trait because we can't see the black lipstick behind there. All right, so if you're looking on into this one wallet for Pranksy, as you can see, trying to go with the albinos all the way through. I think that is going to, kind of be a mini goal. But as you can see, all of them are for sale if you want to pay the price, which, those are fine pieces of art. So it's all in the eye of the beholder. Heading into the work week, things that you might want to think about if you're maybe from the traditional stock sense, stocks that might be in the headlines, and I'll incorporate this with our Cowboys. Riot, which is a Texas-based mining firm. Maybe a bunch of miners down in Texas are getting rich and they're buying these Cowboys. You never know. Hut MF is West Coast, Canadian-based mining corporation, 10% owned by Fidelity. So, sometimes look of where the money's going. Block, ETF, other competitors down there with Coin, BLCN, Ledger, other related stocks in that realm. If that is more your cup of tea, again, do your research. None of this is financial advice. I'm sitting here talking about Top Shots and CryptoPunks and stocks. I believe Kobe on the Discord pulled this up. I'm sorry, I did not. I usually have it credited a little bit better than that, but I lost it on Discord. But it was in Discord, and it's just saying the total value of the NFT market now is almost $250 billion. Sales grew by a ridiculous amount of percent, and it just keeps on going on to the awesomeness of this market and how it's just pretty much going to keep on expanding. So feel free to pause it, read it as I'm scrolling down. Tons of encouraging data in here. And I believe it comes down to the last line. Where are we at? The NFT boom time is only just beginning. Sorry, I got sidetracked with what my son was doing in the background there. Which brings me to the next point. Keep track of your friends. Keep them close because they will tell you when things are coming out, what prices could be, what prices may be, what to look into for next. which brings me into some of my stat guys. All right, Google Trends, type it in. CryptoPunks up, up, and up. Not only in one area, but all areas. Nigeria, where Cardano is getting real hot down there. All right, South Africa, this whole region right there is Cardano region. All right. Once it starts hitting the Pacific Rim, Asian market a little bit hotter with the NBA Top Shots, these punks are going to be booming. Over to Jeebs Art. Please follow him. Tons of data right there. This is a side hustle. Started off as a side hustle. Man, I'd love for it to be full-time crypto. But you know what? You got to do what you got to do. I got bills to pay. I got insurance. I got family to feed. We're doing all right. But there's others out there that I'm trying to help out. All right. So help them out by following them and tweeting and retweeting their comments. They're helping me out, bringing these stats across your face faster than I can think about. The average price inched up today from there you go to there you go. So as you can see, they're getting hungrier for the rarer punks, the ones I pretty much highlighted too. That's why I went back and previewed it. As you can see, followers are increasing here. If you've been watching my channels before, and also views have been going up. We'll go into the analytics here and see that the views are going up as well. Finally, into prospecting possible coins. What I saw with the Rarible in the CryptoPunks market is you'd be able to buy a punk, put it on Rarible. If it's sold on there, you'd get a little extra rarity every Sunday. So sometimes that money comes back into the CryptoPunk world. Again, none of this is financial advice. This kind of showing you what I saw back in the day. Very true could maybe possibly happen with NFTX. Maybe some money will be leaving the CryptoPunks and investing into here, and once this value goes up, maybe that money will be leaking back into CryptoPunks. When one exhales, the other one inhales. When one inhales, the other exhales. Very similar to the general coin market cap and Ethereum and Bitcoin. They all work together. This is one that I had on the, I don't want to say on the radar because it's actually in the pocket for a long time ago. There again, what caught my eye on it was this, the low supply that they generate, and obviously being in the NFT space. So prospecting, I'm hopefully seeing a day where NFTX kind of mirrors meme, and possibly Riri there again on token supply will mirror it respectively speaking percentage wise here soon. With that being said, I want to get you guys back to your top shots. Hopefully you guys all get packs. If not, come back, visit soon, like and subscribe, get on Twitter, talk to your friends, network. Finally, be positive and love life.